Hi friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In this video we are going to see 10th standard English Unit 1 Prose His First Flight by Liam O'Flaherty. First of all, let us see the synonyms, அதாவது நேசொற்கள் அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கலாம். Word synonyms and meanings in Tamil. Okay. Ledge, L-E-D-G, ledge, a narrow shelf. Ledge, a narrow shelf. தொங்கு பாறை அல்லது நீச்சி. Shrilly, S-H-R-I-L-Y, shrilly, loudly, உரத்த சத்தமாக. Shrilly, loudly, உரத்த சத்தமாக. Herring, herring, long silver fish. மத்தி மீன், long silver fish, மத்தி மீன். Devour, consume or swallow, விழுங்குதல். Devour, consume or swallow, விழுங்குதல். Cackled, sharp noise or cry of a hen or seagull. Sharp noise or cry of a hen or seagull. கரைந்தது, கத்தியது, cackled. Mackerel, mackerel, a sea fish, வஜ்ரம் மீன். Mackerel, a sea fish, வஜ்ரம் மீன். Nod, bit or chew, கடித்தல். Precipice, steep rock, செங்குத்து பாறை. Precipice, steep rock, செங்குத்து பாறை. Preening, cleaning, சுத்தப்படுத்துதல். Preening, cleaning, சுத்தப்படுத்துதல். Wheat, to sharpen, கூர்மையாக்க. Wheat, to sharpen, கூர்மையாக்க. Plaintively, sorrowfully, sadly, துக்கமாக. Swooped, dived, தலைகீழாக குதித்தல். Brink, edge, விளிம்பு. Flapped, swang, ஆட்டுதல். Courage, boldness, தைரியம். Desperate, dangerous, அபாயகரமான. Threatening, frightening, அச்சுறுத்தல். Trot, walked, run with short steps, நடத்தல். Trotted, walked, run with short steps, நடத்தல். Daintily, lightly, softly, மெல்ல அல்லது மென்மையாக. Fall, descent, கீழ்நிலை. Maddened, annoyed, எரிச்சலூட்டுதல். Soared, ascended, மேலேறுதல். Mockingly, ridiculously, ஏராளமாக. Mockingly, ridiculously, ஏளனமாக. Uttered, said, கூறுதல். Uttered, said, கூறுதல். Cowardice, lack of courage, கோழைத்தனம். Cowardice, lack of courage, கோழைத்தனம். Seized, confiscated, பறிமுதல் செய்தல். Seized, confiscated, பறிமுதல் செய்தல். Amusedly, jokingly, களிப்புடன். Exhausted, weird, களைப்புற்ற. Sank, drown, மூழ்குதல். Beneath, below, கீழே. Commenced, started, தொடங்கிற்று. Trot, to run with short steps, மெதுவாக ஓடுதல். Beckoning, making a gesture with hand or head, தலை அசைத்து அழை. Alone, lonely, தனியே. Day before yesterday, நேற்று. Stretched, extended, விரிவாக்கப்பட்ட. Stretched, extended, விரிவாக்கப்பட்ட. Attempted, tried, முயற்சித்தல். Expanse, space or area, பரப்பு. Muster, gather, சேர்த்தல். Plunge, drop or jump, வீழுதல், குதித்தல். Scolding, chiding, திட்டுதல். For, remote, distant, தூரமான. Scrap, crumb, bit, துணிக்கை, துண்டு. Sheer, abrupt, திடீர். Crack, crevice, வெடிப்பு. Hidden, covered, மூடப்பட்ட. Pretended, cheated, acted, பாசாங்கு செய்தல். dozing, slumbering, தூங்கிக் கொண்டு. sunk, drown, மூழ்குதல். thrust, pushed, தள்ளுதல். scraped, rubbed, தேய்த்தல். screamed, squealed, அலறுதல். joyful, happy, மகிழ்ச்சியான. eagerly, keenly, முனைப்புடன். abreast, beside, அருகில். surprise, amazement, ஆச்சரியம். swiss, sound, ஓசை, சத்தம். breast, chest, நெஞ்சு. monstrous, huge, மிகப்பெரிய. stomach, belly, வயிறு. terror, horror, திகில். banked, inclined, சாய்தல். lasted, continued, தொடர்ந்து. shrieking, screeching, கீச்சிடுதல், கத்துதல். straight, directly, நேராக. vast, wide, பரந்த. landed, grounded, தரையிறங்குதல். dropped, fell, வீழுதல். hunger, starvation, பட்டினி. praising, admiring, போற்றுதல். ascend, to climb up, ஏறுதல். blushing, shining, ஒளி வீசுதல். After this synonyms, let us go to the antonyms, எதிர்ச்சொற்கள். desperate, hopeful, அவநம்பிக்கையுடன், நம்பிக்கையுடன். courage, cowardly, தைரியமான, கோழைத்தனமான. scolding, praising, திட்டுதல், பாராட்டுதல். threatening, protecting, அச்சுறுத்தல், பாதுகாத்தல். shrilly, calmly, உரத்த குரலில், அமைதியாக. mockingly, respectful, கேலி செய்தல், மரியாதை செய்தல். nod, constructed, துண்டாக்குதல், இணைத்தல். pretended, sincere, பாசாங்கு செய்தல், உண்மையான. sunk, floated, மூழ்குதல், மிதத்தல். training, dirtying, சுத்தப்படுத்துதல், அசுத்தப்படுத்துதல். maddened, comfort, கோபமூட்டுதல், ஆறுதல் படுத்துதல். witch, blunt, கூர்மைப்படுத்து, முழுங்கச் செய். plaintively, cheerfully, சோகமாக, மகிழ்ச்சியாக. soaring, descending, மேலேறுதல், கீழ் இறங்குதல். beckoning, அழைத்தல், repelling, எதிர்த்தல். அழைத்தல், எதிர்த்தல். beckoning, repelling, அழைத்தல், எதிர்த்தல். exhausted, energized, களைப்புடன், புத்துணர்ச்சியுடன். ascending, descending, ஏறுதல், இறங்குதல். young, old, இளமை, முதுமை. afraid, fearless, பயந்த, பயமற்ற. attempted, neglected, முயற்சித்தல், புறக்கணித்தல். expanse, limitation, விரிவடைதல், வரையறுத்தல். stretched, contracted, விரிவாக்குதல், சுருக்குதல். appeared, disappeared, தோன்றுதல், மறைதல். perfecting, damaging, சீர்படுத்துதல், சீரழித்தல். brink, middle, விளிம்பு, நடுவில். sheer, gradual, செங்குத்தான, சீரான. proud, humble, பெருமையான, தாழ்மையான. daintily, effortfully, மெதுவாக, கடுமையாக. hidden, exposed, மறைக்கப்பட்ட, வெளிப்படுத்தின. high, low, உயர்ந்த, தாழ்ந்த. loved, hated, நேசித்தல், வெறுத்தல். eagerly, unwillingly, ஆவலுடன், விருப்பமின்றி. hunger, satisfaction, பட்டினி, திருப்தி. monstrous, ordinary, பயங்கரமான, சாதாரணமான. gradually, suddenly, நிதானமாக, திடீரென. horror, calmness, திகில், அமைதி. ridges, furrows, மேடுகள், பள்ளங்கள். amusedly, boringly, மகிழ்ச்சியுடன், சலிப்புடன். fright, courage, பயம், தைரியம். floating, sinking, மிதத்தல், மூழ்குதல். praising, condemning, போற்றுதல், தூற்றுதல். So with this, the antonyms is over. Let us go to the question and answers that is asked in the lesson. Why did the seagull fail to fly? The seagull was afraid to fly, so he failed to fly. Why did the seagull fail to fly? The seagull was afraid to fly, so he failed to fly. What did the parents do when the young seagull failed to fly? What did the parents do when the young seagull failed to fly? His parents, brothers, and sister encouraged and also scolded him. They threatened him going without food. His parents, brothers, and sister encouraged and also scolded him. They threatened him going without food. What was the first catch of the young seagull's elder brother? The seagull's older brother first caught the herring. The seagull's older brother first caught the herring. What did the young seagull manage to find in his search for food on the ledge? What did the young seagull manage to find in his search for food on the ledge? The young seagull managed to find dried pieces of mackerel's tail and eggshell. The young seagull managed to find dry pieces of mackerel's tail and eggshell. What did the young bird do to seek the attention of his parents? What did the young bird do to seek the attention of his parents? The young bird pretended to fall asleep. Later, it uttered a low cackle to seek his parents' attention. The young bird pretended to fall asleep. Later, it uttered a low cackle to seek his parents' attention. What made the young seagull go mad? The sight of food made the young seagull go mad. The sight of food made the young seagull go mad. Why did the young bird utter a joyful scream? The seagull's mother had a piece of fish. She was coming near to him, so he uttered a joyful scream. Why did the young bird utter a joyful scream? The seagull's mother had a piece of fish. She was coming near to him, so he uttered a joyful scream. Did the mother bird offer any food to the young bird? No, the mother bird did not offer any food to the young bird. Did the mother bird offer any food to the young bird? No, the mother bird did not offer any food to the young bird. How did the bird feel when it started flying for the first time? The young bird was no longer afraid. With a joyous scream, he flapped his wings. He started to dive and soar. The young bird was no longer afraid. With a joyous scream, he flapped his wings. He started to dive and soar. What did the young bird's family do when he started flying? They were flying around him, praising, soaring, and diving together with him. What did the young bird's family do when he started flying? They were flying around him, praising, soaring, and diving together with him. Some additional questions. What prevented the young seagull from flying with his siblings? The fear prevented the young seagull from flying with his siblings. What had the young bird watched the previous day? The young bird had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and dive for fish. How did the young bird fall into space? The young bird fell outwards and downwards into space with a loud scream. What was the family doing when the young bird was floating on the sea? When the young bird was floating on the sea, his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. What happened to the young seagull at last? The young seagull had made his first flight at last. How was the young seagull's first attempt to fly? The young seagull tried to flap his wings and became afraid. He thought that his wings would never support him. How did the parents support and encourage the young seagull's brothers and sisters? The seagull's parents flew with his brothers and sisters. They helped them in the perfect art of flying. They taught him to glide on the waves and dive for fish. Give an instant that shows the pathetic condition of the young bird, or describe the struggle underwent by the young seagull to overcome its fear of flying. The bird was afraid to fly with his brothers and sisters. He was alone. He had no food. He even chewed the dried piece of eggshell. He attempted to flap his wings and became afraid. How did the bird try to reach its parents without having to fly? The bird walked from one end of the ledge to the other to reach its parents without flying. Do you think that the young seagull's parents were harsh to him? Why? No, the seagull's parents were not harsh. They wanted the young seagull to learn the skill of flying. They wanted the seagull to learn the skill of flying. What prompted the young seagull to fly finally? The sight of food maddened him, and he divided at the fish. This prompted the young seagull to fly finally. What happened to the young seagull when it landed on the green sea? The young seagull's feet sank into the green sea. He became afraid. Since he was tired, he could not rise. When his belly touched it, he began to float on it. So these are some of the exercise and question and answers in the lesson First Flight. Prose lesson First Flight. Those who like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, Leela Kids channel, and then keep watching this video again and again. On watching this video again and again, you can very well get all the answers memorized. Okay? இதை நீங்கள் மறுபடியும் கேட்கறதுனால உங்களுக்கு மெமரியில் இது அழகாக போய் பதிஞ்சிடும். அதனால் இந்த வீடியோவை மறுபடியும் போட்டு கேளுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் உங்களை நான் சந்திக்கிறேன். பாய் பாய். தேங்க்யூ.